Hi, my name is Vani and I am here to tell you about culture and literature of Nagaland. The total population of Nagaland is 19,80,602 with a density of 119 people per square kilometer as per the census of 2011. 75% of the people live in villages and one-third of the rural population and one-fifth of the urban population are under the poverty line. There are 60 different dialects spoken among the people of Nagaland and these languages belong to the Sino-Tibetan language family. English was made as the official language of Nagaland in 1967 and serves as the medium of education. Nagamese that has no written form is considered as the linking language that links the tribal groups. Some of the tribes of Nagaland are Ao, Chakesang, Khiamniungan, Konyak, Pfum, Rengma, Sumi, Kuki, Ziliang, Angami, Konyaks, Angamis, Sumis, and Lataz. Many of them are indulged in handicraft works like making mats, wood carvings and bamboo works. Folk dances and songs have important place in the life of the tribes of Nagaland.
Hello. I am Simon D'Souza and I am here to explain you about literature history of Nagaland. Book writing and literature are usually encouraged and promoted by publishing houses and publishers who go in search for product in sale. And in this process Nagaland was no exception. Now let us meet some famous authors of Nagaland.
Hello, I am Vanshika Rathore and I am here to tell you the achievements of Nagaland in literature. A Book When the River Sleeps, 2014, by Eastereen Kire was winner of the Hindu Literary Prize 2015. Also her book Son of the Thundercloud, 2016, was awarded Bal Sahitya Puraskar by Sahitya Akademi in 2018. In 2011, Eastereen Kire was awarded the Governor's Medal for Excellence in Naga Literature. She was awarded the Free Voice Award by Catalan Pen Barcelona in 2013. Winner of the Hindu Literary Prize in 2015. Awarded Bal Sahitya Puraskar by Sahitya Akademi in 2018. Tamsula O. Padma Shri Award for Literature and Education in 2007. Governor's Gold Medal, 2009. Awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award, India's National Academy of Literature, for her short story collection, Laburnum for My Head in 2013. Kusumagaj National Literature Award 2015, for poetry.
Hello. I am Ronak Bajpai and I am here to tell you about the city taglines and slogans of Nagaland. The Land of Festivals Tourism Slogan. Stalingrad of the East attributed to the World War II battle fought in Kohima. Kohima, the first district. Mokokchung, the land of pioneers. Tuansong, the land of culture. Woka, the land of plenty. Zunhiboto, the land of warriors. Mon, the land of inks. Phak, the land of tradition. Dimapur, gateway of Nagaland. Kifire, the land of minerals. Longling, the land of handicrafts. Paran, the land of virgin forests.
Hello, I am Jay Kushwa and I am here to conclude the projecti. Through the project we came to know that Nagaland has a great contribution in Indian culture. Also many literature works of Nagaland are also recognized all over the country and they are awarded for the same, which makes Nagaland a special part of the country.